Hey guys, Foxy here. This is my new quad. Let me just get off so I can show you. Yeah, this is the new quad. Sponsor. Alright. This is how you start it up. Now, first you gotta make sure this is down and push this in. You hold this down and push it down with your fingers. Okay, let me do something like this. The camera's falling. And then there's a button underneath the switch here, right there. And make sure the key is turning this way, pushing this way, not that way, because then it won't turn on. And make sure this is down and it's not coming back up. And then you hold this, and it starts up. So it's gonna be quite hard to vlog. I mean, I'm just filming like this. So let's go. This is my dad's phone, not my phone. I gotta be careful. There's a tight squeeze here. Not sure if I'm gonna make it. I made it! Yay! Alright. Sorry, my voice. Alright, just gotta do that. Now turn it off because I am now stuck. So, you know what we need to do? We need to get out of our situation. Just pulling it backwards. This thing is heavy. I know I should have just put it in reverse, but yeah, we don't do that. We're not lazy. Put this thing in neutral. This thing is heavy. You guys haven't seen my face yet. Sorry. I might have been upside down because I was holding the camera upside down for some reason. Oh, the phone upside down. Oopsie. Parking brake on. Alright. Time to get back to driving. That's alright? That's fine. Wait. Up into the camera. There we go. Just a little scratch on there. See good? Alright, there we go. Push this down, remember? Make sure it's in neutral or drive. It's very hot out here today. Oh, forgot. Why is it not starting? There we go. Alright, here we go. I'm not even pressing no buttons. See, look at it, guys. I'm not even doing anything. It's going on its own. That's not good. Ooh, this is hard to film. There's so much obstacle. Oh my, was that fun? Whoa! Bumps everywhere. Uh-oh. Woo! There's so many bumps! I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. This thing is quite loud. It looks like we're being blocked in. We're stuck. So let's just back up real quick because we got kind of stuck. on YouTube now. Hey. Okay. Alright, this time we're just gonna stay in this area. But yeah. Okay, that was, I don't know. But we're gonna stay in this area because that area is now blocked off by a big truck. So, that's why we went around it, and it wouldn't have been a lot easier. And you guys want to go see more bumps? I think we should go see more bumps. So there's a bump here, here, and here, and here. Whoa, this is hard filming. Oh my! I just need a oopsies. You guys know we can't go that way if you've been watching the whole video. Should I do something? That's not normal. Oops, that guy. Oopsie. Kind of stuck. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, it's hard driving this. Sorry, I keep dropping the phone because I'm trying to hold it on my lap because I have to do everything. Whew. So now we're down. Oh, let's go this way. Oh no, there's a big bump here that I gotta hold on tight. Why did it just die? Wait, why is that off? Sorry guys, this is quite hard driving this because it keeps showing off and stalling if you guys know about quads. Even though that sometimes it's not working very well. And sometimes it doesn't work. Whoa. Not sure how much longer I should make this video. But I got a canister, I think, in the back of my stuff that I want to carry around. So yeah, I just have that. Oh my god, guys, I went this way again. Here we go. Once again. Actually, you know what? This is too hard. I think I'm gonna just end the video here today. So, bye guys. Park HT out.